How to send snaps from camera roll as a normal snap without filter. To do so, first of all launch your Snapchat application and simply record a one small video. Once you record it, on the button you will see plus button. Simply hit on that. From here, you have to select import media and select the any photo that you want to send as a snap and then hit on the right button. From here, again select the small video that you previously recorded and hit on the delete. Now you have only the photo that you have selected. Now simply hit on the send to and send the user to whom you want to send it. Once you send that, your camera roll photo will be sent as a normal snap. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.